What's going on, guys? K-Dub here with yet another update. I know I just put a video out. Literally, as I was uploading the video, this news came out and everything that everyone had thought about with FTX potential insolvency and bankruptcy looks like it could have actually turned out to be true. This is insane, guys. So Sam comes out and says, hey all, I have a few announcements to make. Things have come full circle and FTX.com's first and last investors are the same. We have come to an agreement on a strategic transaction with Binance for FTX.com. Yes, this is actually true news. It looks like Sam and friends actually felt the heat under the pressure. And if we come over here, CZ verified this. He says this afternoon, FTS asked for help. There is a significant liquidity crunch. So, we were joking about potentially Celsius 2.0. Guys, it looks like there really was an issue with FTX, and this FUD could turn out to be true. They say to protect users, we have signed a non-binding LOI intending to fully acquire FTX.com and help cover the liquidity crunch. We will be conducting a full DD in the coming days. And if we go back over here to Sam, he says, our teams are working on clearing out the withdrawals backlog as is. This will clear out liquidity crunch. All assets will be covered one-to-one. So that's good. At least, CZ swooping in to save the day again. So luckily, guys, if you are using FTX, just get your money off FTX. I mean, now that, obviously CZ's coming in, I guess that's good. But they say this is one of the main reasons we've asked Binance to come in. It may take a bit to settle. We apologize for that. But the important thing is that the customers are protected. A huge thank you to CZ, Binance, and all of our supporters. This is a user-centric development that benefits the entire industry. CZ has done and will continue to do an incredible job of building out the global crypto ecosystem and creating a freer economic world. And they talk about rumors about, the beef in the media. But guys, ultimately, this is huge. This is massive. Now, look, I'm not saying that we should necessarily have Binance be this giant conglomerate, right? We don't want to have a monopoly on all the centralized exchanges either. However, in my opinion, Sam has been coming under a lot of fire recently. We know he's been lobbying for some things, particularly, the anti-decentralized exchange, the bit license and all that stuff that's been going on behind closed doors. And I think that, believe it or not, this is actually a victory for the crypto space. CZ, they have the Binance chain BSC, right? They do believe in, having that decentralized and centralized aspect, harmoniously together. And I'm really on board with this. This is crazy news. It's insane how fast this escalated. Obviously, this is creating a bit of turmoil in the markets, right? As I was making my video, we were down around 19.3. I said that was a great opportunity to buy. We did pump back up. This news came back out. The price came back down. So the markets are just like, what the heck is going on right now? What a crazy day it is, though. But guys, let me know what you think about this. Are you happy about CZ acquiring FTX? Are you mad? Is this too much of a monopoly on Binance? The only thing that I know is if I had to take a pick between CZ or Sam, not that we really need any centralized figurehead leader, CEO really, but ultimately, I would say that CZ has the people's interest definitely a lot more than Sam does. That's my opinion. So yeah, and guys, obviously, trading on Binance is great. They're not really too friendly with the U.S. citizens. If you want to trade on Binance US, there's like 5 coins you can pick over there. Obviously, you guys know I still stick with BitGet. That's my exchange of choice. Look at this, guys. We're right back down at that level again. So this is why I said in my previous video, be careful. Be careful. Get that consolidation, right? Make sure you get subscribed to the channel. Make sure you turn on the bell notifications. We're going to be monitoring this price very, very actively. Follow me on Twitter at @TheCryptoZombie. And once again, guys, let me know what you think about this below. That's it for me. And of course, if you guys do want to learn how to trade, do be safe. Check out the tutorial popping up right here, right now. Be safe out there. Wild times. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Crypto Zombie out.